I'll stop there.
That's an important point you make. Now, Dr. Ganga Khetkar, there are many people who have this question about why people who are being vaccinated, even if they've had double vaccines and a month has passed since the second vaccine, they're ending up getting reinfected. So, is there something that you're picking up about this new mutation or the Indian variant which makes it skip or evade antibodies in a way that even if your system built up some antibodies, you could still end up infected because that's just how the nature of the virus has changed?
No, absolutely not. No, I can emphatically say that there is no evidence to suggest that people are getting infected even after 2 dosages of vaccine through newer mutants as such. Not only here, but perhaps across the world. The sole reason that people tend to get infected is when they get vaccinated. We must remember that these vaccines are highly efficient when it comes to reducing the risk of development of severe COVID disease as well as death. But when it comes to preventing transmission, they tend to fall short because most of these vaccines are going through intramuscular route. And therefore, when the efficiency drops, and I tend to be exposed to some person who may be having COVID, I will acquire it even if I am vaccinated as such. There, can I blame the virus? Not at all. No, you have to blame yourself how you were exposed to in the given circumstances. Did I not follow the COVID appropriate behavior? And as Dr. Shahid rightly said, no, whether you are vaccinated, whether you are not vaccinated, whether there are variants, whether there is wild type virus that is in circulation, what is going to be your best defense against this particular mutants as well is going to be the mask. We need to continue to use the mask and not worry whether my vaccine is going to fail, because globally there is no evidence to suggest that the breakthrough mutants have been able to evade the vaccine successfully, which increases the chance of reinfection dramatically, to be considered as a signal towards failure of vaccines. So trust the data, trust the fact that the simplest measure is COVID appropriate behavior, irrespective of your vaccine status. You don't need to get scared of these mutants. Don't divert the attention from adherence to COVID appropriate behavior out of fear. We don't need to panic with respect to mutants as such. That's a natural phenomena that will occur. We need to think, why am I not following the COVID appropriate behavior? And that's something which will help us overcome this issue. And this becomes extremely critical in second wave, because as I said, the more number of times the virus is going to replicate, the higher is the chance that it will accumulate more and more mutations over what it already has. And we need to avoid that by trying to break the chain of transmission by using COVID appropriate behaviors among 90